What's up friends, welcome to my channel. Xiaomi is launching the latest 16 Pro series. It will be an high-end flagship phone with all the top-notch features. It will be powered by the top tier of line Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 chipset that will be combined with an octa-core CPU. There will be a GPU of Adreno. The display has been standout features. There will be LTPO AMOLED touchscreen display with a 6.83 inches screen size with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Fingerprint will be an under-display optical ultrasonic. Smartphone will come with a large battery and that will be 6000 mAh. There will be a triple camera setup back on the phone. Main sensor will be 50 megapixel. There will be a 12 and 16 GB of RAM and 256, 512 GB and 1 TB of internal memory. Phone will run on Android 15 operating system. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.